Imagine waking up tomorrow and discovering that the job you spent years learning could now be done by an artificial intelligence system in seconds. It sounds impossible, but this transformation is already happening. AI is no longer just a tool for answering questions or creating images. It is becoming a powerful technology that is changing industries, automating tasks, and reshaping the future of work. But here's the truth: AI will not replace every job overnight. Instead, it will first impact careers where tasks are repetitive, predictable, and based on processing information. Some jobs will disappear, some will transform, and some will require completely new skills. In this video, we'll look at 10 jobs that AI could replace faster than most people expect, and why these careers are facing major changes. Before we begin, subscribe for more videos about AI, technology, and the future of innovation. Now, let's explore the jobs that could be affected the most. Number 10. Customer service representatives. Customer service is one of the biggest areas where AI is already making an impact. AI chatbots can now answer questions, solve common problems, and provide support 24/7 without needing breaks. Many companies are adopting these systems to reduce costs and improve response times. Human support workers will still be needed for complex situations requiring empathy. But basic customer service tasks are increasingly being handled by AI. Number 9. Data entry workers. Data entry is one of the easiest jobs for AI to automate. AI systems can quickly organize documents, enter information, and manage databases with incredible speed and accuracy. Tasks that once took workers hours can now be completed automatically. As businesses continue searching for efficiency, traditional data entry roles may become less common. Number 8. Cashiers. The shopping experience is changing rapidly. Self-checkout systems, smart stores, and AI-powered payment technology are reducing the need for traditional cashiers. Some stores are already testing systems where customers can pick up items and leave without waiting at a checkout counter. While cashiers will not disappear immediately, the role is likely to continue evolving. Number 7. Basic content writers. AI has completely changed the writing industry. Today, AI tools can create product descriptions, social media posts, articles, and marketing content within seconds. Companies that need simple content are increasingly using AI to save time and money. However, creative storytelling, personal experiences, and emotional writing will still require human imagination. Number 6. Translators. AI translation technology has improved dramatically. Modern AI can translate languages instantly and understand context better than ever before. Simple translation tasks are becoming automated, although professional translators will remain important for complex documents, literature, and culturally sensitive content. Number 5. Basic graphic designers. AI design tools can now create logos, advertisements, and social media graphics in moments. Small businesses that previously hired designers for simple projects can now use AI platforms instead. However, professional designers who bring creativity, strategy, and unique ideas will continue to have value. Number 4. Financial analysts. Doing basic research, AI is becoming extremely powerful in analyzing financial information. It can study market trends, review reports, and identify patterns much faster than humans. Basic research tasks may become automated, but experienced professionals will still be needed for important financial decisions. Number 3. Drivers. The transportation industry is one of the biggest targets of AI development. Self-driving technology is improving every year, and autonomous vehicles could change how people and products move around the world. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery workers may see major changes as this technology becomes more advanced. Number 2. Administrative assistants. AI can now schedule meetings, organize documents, summarize conversations, and manage emails automatically. Many repetitive office tasks can be completed by AI assistants, meaning future workers may focus more on decision-making and creative problem-solving. Number 1. Basic programming jobs. One of the biggest surprises is that AI is entering software development. AI coding tools can write simple programs, fix errors, and help developers build applications faster. While AI will not completely replace skilled programmers, it may reduce the demand for people who only perform basic coding tasks. So, what does this mean for the future? AI is not simply a threat, it is a major shift in how work is done. Throughout history, technology has replaced certain tasks while creating new opportunities. The people who succeed in the AI era will be those who adapt, learn new skills, and understand how to use AI effectively. The real question is not, will AI replace my job? The better question is, how can I use AI to become more valuable? Because the future may not belong to AI alone. It may belong to the people who know how to work with it. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more content about AI, technology, and the future of innovation. The AI revolution is moving faster than ever, and staying ahead starts today.